Hello students, this is question number 2 of IOQM 2025 and 26, and the question says find the number of positive integers n less than or equal to 100 for which they are divisible by 3 but not by 6. So first of all, the number of numbers that is less than or equal to 100 divisible by 3. So that is going to be equal to 33. Now the number of numbers that is less than 100 and divisible by 6. So that we can calculate and that will come out to be equal to 16. Now we need to find the number of numbers that is divisible by 3 but not by 2. Means we need to remove the numbers which are divisible by 6 from it. So the total numbers that is going to satisfy the given condition, that will be 33 minus 16, and this will come out to be equal to 17, and hence 17 has to be the correct answer. Let's verify. Yes, the same has been mentioned by the IOQM final answer key as well.